Hello, and welcome to Aussie Gutter Protection. We're your first choice for premier gutter guard solutions in Melbourne and beyond. In this case study, we invite you to discover our recent installation of 108 metres of TuffMesh EmberGuard in a property in Greensborough. This home was grappling with a common but troublesome issue: clogged gutters from leaves and debris. These obstructions led to water overflow and constant cleaning for the homeowners. Our seasoned technicians conducted a thorough evaluation of the property. Upon detailed assessment, the optimal choice was clear: our high-performance TuffMesh EmberGuard material, as the trees surrounding the property dropped fine debris. The EmberGuard's 1.6mm hole size would ensure the fine debris would not filter through the guard, while the trough and directional holes prevents water sheeting during heavy downpours. Aesthetically, we chose a monument-coloured mesh and clips to harmonise with the corrugated monument roof. The property's Stratco gutters also featured the same monument colorbond colour, which we colour match with monument trims for a unified, seamless look. Rolling up our sleeves, our team installed a total of 108 metres of TuffMesh EmberGuard material. The outcome is a system that allows for effortless water drainage while preventing the intrusion of fine debris and other unwanted elements. There it is, a flawless installation of TuffMesh EmberGuard gutter guards, masterfully enhancing both the functionality and the curb appeal of this Greensborough residence. Thank you for entrusting Aussie Gutter Protection with your home's needs. Our unwavering dedication to quality and customer satisfaction has earned us a spot as an industry frontrunner. For more information on our diverse gutter guard solutions, reach out to us today.